Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the 8-Ball Pool game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, in order to install this game on your PC, you will need to install an Android emulator first. So go ahead and open up your web browser and then install any Android emulator such as BlueStacks. Simply go to bluestacks.com and press enter. You will find the download button right at the home page, so click on it, and once the file is downloaded, you can open it up to launch the installer. You can then simply scroll through the next button and this will install the BlueStacks emulator on your device. Once it's installed, go ahead and open it, and then from your Android home screen, you can simply open up the Google Play Store. You might be asked to log into your account, but after you log in, you can simply search for 8-Ball Pool, and once you find the application, click on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the 8-Ball Pool application on your PC. Just wait for a while until the installation is complete, and then once it is done, you will see the play button. When you see it, you can simply click on it and this will open up the 8-Ball Pool game, and now you can start playing the game on your PC. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the 8-Ball Pool game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.